Hey guys, it's Maghaz here, and today I'm tackling a frustrating issue that I know a lot of you have been facing. You turn on your PC or laptop, and suddenly boom, you're hit with this error on the login page. Something happened, and your PIN isn't available. Click to set up your PIN again. You've likely searched all over YouTube for a real solution, only to end up tired and frustrated because none of the videos worked. But stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem and recover your data. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it. First, let me clear something up. The reason you're seeing this error is that the files responsible for storing your login information have been corrupted. And unfortunately, there's no way to directly fix those corrupted files. But don't worry, I have the solutions to get your data back safely. Solution 1, if you have a second PC or laptop lying around, you're in luck. Simply remove the hard drive from your affected machine, connect it as an external drive to the second PC, and copy over all your important data. Problem solved, right? But what if you don't have a second device? No worries, I've got another solution for you. Solution 2. Here's what you'll need: a bootable Windows USB. You can create one if you don't already have it. Now connect your USB and begin the Windows installation process on your computer. When you get to the installation page, listen closely, don't format your local disk that already has Windows installed. Instead, just install Windows over the existing system. Make sure you have enough space available on your drive for the new installation. This method installs a fresh version of Windows, but doesn't wipe out your old data, so no need to panic. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to log into your PC or laptop again. But I know what you're thinking, what about all my data? Don't worry, I've got that covered too. Head over to your C drive and look for a folder named windows.old. Open it up, and inside, you'll find all your previous data neatly stored and ready for recovery. Just browse to the folders where your personal files were, and boom, your data is safe and sound. I really hope this helped you out, and if it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you run into any issues or need more help, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.